Hello, I'm an electronic engineer with a background in integrated circuits, and former colleague of mine, while I was working not at Bristol, somewhere else. So he proposed this project and then asked me to contribute as an electronic engineer. So we designed a microelectronic platform to detect circulating tumor cells. So this is the platform which we designed, and it has an 25 micron electrode, and you have 100 by 100 array. And once you drop a blood sample there, so you can detect whether there is a cell on that electrode, and whether it is a normal cell or an abnormal cell. So from a normal cell and abnormal cell, the variation is about 20%. So we could not say that exactly for sure that whether it is a cancerous cell or not. So that's the part which is missing. So soon after this, we completed this, and then we both left the place. So we could not continue any further. So now what I wanted to do is, so we can design this platform, the expertise is there, and merge it with some kind of learning, prior learning, and then tell for sure that whether the sample we see has some cancerous cells, what is the percentage, and then finalize the outcome. Okay, thank you very much.